1. Point Nemo, South Pacific Ocean. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean, there's a spot where you can turn in every direction and see nothing. Not because of fog, but because there is nothing. Over 1,000 kilometers from any land, this is Point Nemo, the most distant location from solid ground on our planet. Its name is no coincidence. It comes from the Latin word for no one, and from the legendary Captain Nemo, the explorer of impossible worlds. Here, even astronauts aboard the International Space Station pass closer overhead than any person on Earth's surface. The waters around Point Nemo form a marine desert. No nutrients, no rich currents, almost no life at all. And yet, this place has a purpose. It's Earth's spacecraft graveyard. NASA and other space agencies around the world use these coordinates to crash satellites, rockets, and stations when their missions end. Reaching it requires a strong ship, endless fuel, and more patience than courage. There's nothing to see, and yet somehow, you see everything. We've arrived at the end. 15 places where humanity barely touches the landscape, where geography sets the limit, but curiosity dares to cross it.